of making sure we build our nation.
Wadhi nyime duol makedogi mibadhi pachoka EACC osingo mar tieko nonro ewi mibadhi mamulo tend county ma Siaya.
Apisas mag EACC maolose county ya Mombasa romo malalruok ewi kedogi mibadhi wachoni ei thuolo mar jumbe ariyo report nonro ma awiye biro wuok e weche mag mibadhi ma idhi nyime gi none county no.
Mibadhi go gin mamulo piny owacho mokalo ma Siaya kod piny owacho matiyo sani.
Within probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks, we shall have the first file ready, and but we don't want to go into the details of who is involved and what is involved, and we are basically looking at detailed investigations when it comes to Siaya, both in the previous administration and in the current administration.
Essentially, it's also part and parcel of saying, how can we ensure that the people that are involved in any part of that process, we call it supply chain for a reason. It's not just procurement. Supply chain is a holistic view about where the process starts, end-to-end view of supply chain, so that accountability is put at the right places in the supply chain, not just at procurement people.